Welcome to George S. Clason's Greatest Lessons, where I'm highlighting my favorite parts with the richest man in Babylon. And if you enjoy the video, liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell for notifications is greatly appreciated. And if you're interested, consider joining with the Market Moves Investing Book Summaries link in the description down below.
Today's chapter highlights the old warrior, Banzar. And he sat at the top of Babylon's walls watching an incoming army. I see off in the distance that another attack is coming our way, but most of our forces are with the king on one of his conquests. Seems they caught wind that we would be at our weakest right now. These walls must hold or we will all be doomed. Hearing news of an incoming army caused a lot of worried faces within the kingdom. An old merchant started things off. "Tell me things will be all right. There is no one in town able to protect us should they get inside. My goods, my wife, my food, and everything else will be gone. Tell me they cannot get inside." Banzar said, "Calm yourself. These walls have withstood greater foes in the past. These walls are strong. Keep close to these walls or you might find yourself struck with a loose arrow." But it didn't just stop at the old merchant. A mother also had worries. "Tell me things will be all right. My husband has a fever and could not defend us should they get inside. I could not defend myself since I am carrying this child. Tell me they cannot get inside." Banzar once again said, "Calm yourself. These walls are strong. You are a good mother, so you should be caring for your husband while we defend this wall. We have hot oil to pour on them should they try to use ladders. Worry about his illness while we handle things here." And lastly, there was the little girl. "Mister, are things gonna be okay? My parents are acting strange and no one will tell me what's going on. Are we safe?" Banzar said, "Yes, don't you worry. These are the strongest walls the world has ever seen. Never has any army ever passed these walls so long as I have lived. Go tell your parents that Banzar said they would be all right." All while still answering questions about the citizens' safety. Banzar stood guard defending the wall for a month. And after a month's siege, the attacking army finally left in defeat. Banzar said, "Well done, comrades. Tell the citizens of the great news. Remind them that it was thanks to our hard work and this powerful wall that we were able to remain safe." Because the old warrior knew that the wall's true purpose was not just to protect the citizens physically, but also mentally as well. Because unexpected tragedies or situations can arise at the worst times, so making sure you have a formidable wall of insurance, savings accounts, and dependable investments will help you sleep at night.